In this episode of GSB, we got a little Railfan in with trackside mic, my OVR my OVR haul, and a mini update of Ephraim Cement and Aggregate, and addressing a Container Man 68 question. Going from Canada under the river to the United States. Sounds like it's speeding up.
Look it up there like 70 mile an hour.
Right, yeah, going downhill from this side, right?
Yeah. Coming back to you, get up there.
Now, why'd you say they don't run DPU?
Because they got a state they've had it for before where the DP was at the northern pole.
Oh, I got you. He's gonna be close. He's gonna be close. Hey, what up? Time for a mail call. Was up at OVR Trains up in Townsboro, Canada. I had the opportunity to ride up there with my buddy Dave, Crooked River in Easton, and do some shopping. OVR stands for Outer Valley Railroad, if you're not too familiar with that. I'm going to tell you, that shop was so full of product, it was a little bit overwhelming. There is so much stuff there, so if you ever get the opportunity to go up there, Hey, go check it out. But I want to share what I picked up with you guys. Pulled by my C39-8 here. I love the sound of that diesel. Picked up 3 of their OVR trash cars with the loads. Some very highly detailed cars, very nice. Chris at Go Via Go Home did a nice review of these, so if you want to see that review, go to his channel. I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Intermountain cars. That was dangerous. Intermountain had coupons, $20 off per car. With the conversion rate and the $20 off, it was a good deal for the consumer. So I grabbed a couple of 2-bay hoppers, as you can see there, the NS 2-bay hoppers. Also grabbed 3 corn syrup cars, 2 Cargill. Why aren't we moving? Oh, there we go. 2 Cargill, and I forgot what the other one, Minnesota something. Anyhow, they're all corn sweetness cars. Picked up a couple of flats because I didn't have any flats, and I want to try making flat loads sometime. Got a Conrail gondola from my buddy Steve, and I can't remember his railroad name. I'm sorry, Steve. And pulling up the rear there, I got a auto hauler there from my buddy Sparky. Sparky gifted me this CP Rail auto hauler. The only one I have on my railroad, and I'm hoping it will run around all my curves. There's one area that I'm not too sure it may handle, but that's TBD. So there you have it with the rolling stock haul that I picked up from OVR. Also picked up this pair of Athen ready to roll DCC ready GP38s from Justin. My plan for these is to black out the Seaboard Central and put in Georgia Sunbelt and leave the painting as is. Also grabbed a Southern Caboose from him also, but right now I don't know where I put it. Container Man 68 sent me some awesome photos of a cement business that was built at the base of a mountain. Unfortunately, I don't model any mountains on my railroad, so Container Man, I can't do that. But that was a great idea. You was asking about where a track went. I wasn't sure if you were talking about this track or that track. This track is just a track that I use for switching the whole industry to, to put cars in and out as I'm switching the industry. This is the main line. They're separated by this gully that I haven't put water in. So I think that's what you're asking about. But great idea, but unfortunately I don't model mountains, so I can't really use that. I have done some more work over here at Ephraim's. Now I had to go back and look at my old video to see what I had done differently than before. I did install some crossings here and here and some scenery along that side. And excuse me for walking around here, but that's the only way I can get it all. And I did start doing scenery along this side, and I continued to put my dirt and gravel around the whole industry there. I painted the bin, this aggregate bin here, and I not painted it, but I primed the conveyor, trying to decide which colors I want to use to paint that. I think, nope, that's not quite all I did. I can't remember everything I've done. Shucks. Oh, over here I did add this railing, and there's a railing back there, and that little tank next to the house back there. And oh, I forgot all about these. I got these pneumatic pneumatic trailers, I guess you're going to call them, from OVR. There's one here, and there's one sitting way down there. So that was part of my OVR haul. But I think that's all I've done to Ephraim Cement since you guys last saw it. Oh, I did complete the gravel road down the hill there, and then I did add a railing on that side also. And there's probably some more scenic stuff that I've kind of put in, but I don't remember exactly where I left off, but especially in this area right through here. You get a look at the crossing from this side and the little pavement that I put in. And I think that should do it for Ephraim Cement on this version of the Georgia Sunbelt.